Continuation of superscript. In the last video, I explained it through an example. Now you can see the same examples are given in your book also. Here we are going to see in the body. It's your choice whether you write the p tag or not. Here in the body it is written this text contains. This text contain is a usual text, so you can see the output this text contain appears as usual, and then between the two sup tags we have written subscript. So and after that the body is closed. So you can see over here this text contain, and the part that was written in the sup appears above the usual text, and after that text is written. So this is the result of the superscript tag. Now next tag that we are going to look is the subscript tag. The subscript tag, again the same thing is to be done. Inside the body you have to give the paragraph. This text contain. This is a usual text. Nothing has been used with this, so it appears as the usual text, and in the sub tags we have mentioned subscript. So therefore you can see this appeared lower to this. This is subscript and the text as usual. So this way you can make use of the subscript and the superscript. Further we move ahead and we talk about the center tag. Center tag, as the name indicates, center. It will display the text or the image in the center of the page. If you wish to put something in the center of the page, center of the web page, you are going to make use of the center tag. You can see the example for this. As usual, you have to write down HTML body and everything. Only you have to make use of the center tag. Write down the center tag and the text that is to be displayed in the center of the web page. Write down that tag over here, that text over here, and then finally close your center tag. So whatever you will write between the two center tags, that will appear in the middle, in the center of your web page, in the center of the document that you have created, the center of the web document. So just only remember that if any text or image has to be placed in the middle of the page, in the middle of the web page, you simply have to write that down between the two center tag, between the opening and the closing center tag, and that image or the text will appear in the middle of your web page. Similarly, the image can also be given in the center. In that case, after center, you are going to write down img tag, and with the img tag you are going to give the path of the image, and the image will also appear in the center of your web page. Sometimes maybe in the page we are in need of a horizontal line. We need to create a horizontal line. In such case, where you need to create horizontal line or a rule to separate the contents of the page, you will make use of the HR tag. HR represents horizontal rule. So with HR tag you will get a horizontal line or horizontal rule on your web page. And we have number of attributes that can be used with the HR tag. The attributes are: first, size. This will decide the size of the line, size of your rule, that is the thickness of the line, and it appears in the pixels. The thickness is always given in the pixel. The syntax will be: first you have to write down HR, then you have to write size, then you have to give the size in the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 pixels, whatever thickness is desired by you. If you will not give any of the value for size, by default system will create a 2 pixels thick line, thick rule on the page. Remember, by default it is 2 pixels. Then next we talk about the width. That will give the horizontal width of the line. The measurement again here in the width is also going to be in the pixels. So just simply write down HR width equals to and give the number over here for the width. Then next we have the color. What color line or what color horizontal rule you want to create, red, blue, green, whatever it is. For that also simply write down HR color equals to and give the color name, red, blue, green, whichever you want to give it over here. And the last there are two more alignments, two more attributes that can be used with this one, and those are align. Align will place your horizontal rule on the page, whether on the left, right, center, or on justified alignment. As you have already read for the paragraph, the alignment same can be used over here also, and for this you have to write down HR align equals to left, right, center, or justified. No shade, that is to draw a solid line. If you don't want to give any shade, a simple solid line is to be drawn. You are going to write down HR no shade. Let us have a look at the example for this. See here, inside the body tag we have written a paragraph. This is the horizontal rule or line. So this text appear as usual over here, and after this we have given HR tag. That HR tag will give a horizontal rule, a horizontal line. So you can see a horizontal line appears, but this line is quite thick and a solid line. How do we get this? HR size equals to 5. That is, the thickness is 5 pixels. The width is 42%. You can give it in the pixel also, in the percent also. 42% means of the total size of the window, 42% space will be occupied by the horizontal rule, by the horizontal line. Align equals to right. This line will be aligned towards the right of the page. So you can see here it is aligned towards right. No shade. We are going to make a solid line. No shading is to be done. So you can see that the line that appeared is quite dark, quite bold line you got over here. So here no shade has made this as a solid line. Finally close it and you will get the line as this. So this way we can create a horizontal line. We can make the use of HR tag to create the horizontal lines. I hope you all got this. Thank you.